Hello. Hello.
Adın ne?
Benim adım Ünal Yıldırım. My name is Ünal.
Yuna.
Hello.
Hello Yuna.
Selçuk.
Selçuk.
My name is Yusuf.
Yusuf.
Muhammed.
Mohammed.
Hüseyin.
Hussein.
Süleyman.
What?
Serdar.
Sada.
Süleyman.
Suleyma. And they've been force feeding me food. We've had Türkçe çorba.
Çorba, ayran çorbası.
Merhaba.
Merhaba George.
And they've been force feed. I've had menemen,
Erişte.
spaghetti, which is
Erişte.
erişte, Turkish
spaghetti.
spaghetti, erişte,
Çorba.
çorba, and now
Ayran çorbası.
çok güzel.
kebabı.
Wow, very full. So yeah, I'm currently in Erzurum, a city somewhere in Turkey. I'm on my way. I'm hitchhiking to Gürcistan or Georgia. I just came across these guys on the side and they invited me for lots of food, which is a nice start to the day. So I'm now walking to a petrol station. I'm going to try and hitchhike from a petrol station, which seems to be the best option when hitchhiking in Turkey. Let's test my luck with this one. Merhaba. Nereye gidiyorsun?
Biz bir arkadaşımızın yanına gidiyoruz.
Go back arkadaş. Gürcistan otostop çekiyorum.
Gürcistan, anladım.
Yeah, I will, you know,
Şuradan çekebilirsin. Bu
otostop.
taraf. Aynen.
Gürcistan.
Evet.
Teşekkürler.
Yukarıdan gelene
Teşekkürler.
otostop, tamam mı?
Teşekkürler.
Rica
I will
ederim.
ask. There we go. Çıkış, which means exit. I will stand on the exit and ask every car that leaves this petrol station. Oh yeah. I've got no idea if this massive lorry's stuck. Merhaba. You go to Gürcistan? You really? Oh, let's fucking go. Oh, this is like a climb. Adın ne?
Hasan.
Hasan. Adın Ruben.
Ruben.
Evet. You go to Batumi.
Batum. Sarp kapısı.
Saf kapus.
Sarp.
Sap.
Evet.
Tamam. That's fine with me. Oh, amazing. Wow, big old lorry.
Nereden geliyorsun?
İngiltere.
İngiltere.
Evet. Yeah. I know. Super lucky.
Where did he pick you up?
So I was in a petrol station, and I was just
Which city?
I was just standing with my thumb out, and he just stopped. I maybe waited for like 5 minutes, so very lucky.
That's a big luck.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, perfect. Enjoy the road, man.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. So we found out that the guy he's driving me is driving to Russia, so he's going through Georgia. So I've got a lift all the way to Georgia, which is amazing. And we're going to be entering country number 1 second. I believe 16 on my journey from England to India. I believe I'm going to be in country 16. And then I am picking up my bicycle. My dad is flying out to Georgia, and I'm picking up my bicycle and I'm continuing. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to continue cycling from Georgia to India, and because now I've kind of done every mode of transport. I've walked between places, I've taken buses, I've hitchhiked, I've cycled. Now I can take a step back and look at all of these and find out what I truly love and what I truly enjoy doing. And what comes out at number 1 is bikepacking. So in about 2 months I will be continuing bikepacking across the world to India. We're going to be just driving in this big old van now to Georgia. I'm so excited. I've spent now about 2.5 months in Turkey, and I'm ready to get out and leave and enter a new country. Super excited, but let's go. I think we are stopping for some food with the truck driver. Yes.
Yes.
Adun.
Cağ kebabı.
Cağ kebab. Cağ kebab. Amazing. Okay. This.
Teşekkür ederiz usta. Yes.
Oh yeah, nice. Okay. With the meat. We get the onion. Pimas.
Pivas.
Pivas. Kırçı.
Kırça. Pivas.
Pivas. Yeah, I remember this. It's cold. It is cold right now. So I'm gonna be heading up into Georgia, and it's gonna get colder and colder. Like the more the more north I go, it get colder and colder and colder. And now it's cold. I'm so full. I had like 4 kebab type things. Very nice food. The guy is from Kurdistan. He is Kurdish, and I know a little bit of Kurdish. Just like, what is your name? Hello, thank you. And he was happy to hear me speak Kurdish. So let's get back on the road. This is the whip. Karamka. Let's go in Kurdish. So the guy's actually stopping in Turkey. There you go. That's him going off in the distance now. Yeah, so it's currently in the night. I'm not hitchhiking when it's dark. Currently in a petrol station. We need to figure out where I'm going to sleep tonight. I haven't put this on my bag in ages. Oh my goodness. Rain. I haven't seen rain in like 4 months. YouTube. Oh. So I'm in the restaurant now, and they've potentially given me a place to sleep later tonight. I just went in a random restaurant on the road, and I just asked them, and potentially I'm sleeping here, I'm not too sure. Now they're just watching my YouTube videos. Yes. Bravo. I have now joined them for food. Crazy stuff.
Good food.
Good food. Wow.
Turkish baklava.
Baklava and chai. Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. I'm in a hotel. Feels really weird being in hotels because I don't sleep in hotels. So basically, I was in the restaurant place. I had food with all the guys. They left, and then one of the managers of the restaurant came over to me, and he was like, "Come with me, free hotel." I think he's friends with someone in this hotel, and they just gave me, he just said free hotel, and I was like, okay, I will come with you. I got in his car, and we went to this hotel, and now I'm in a hotel room. I'm in a city called Hopa in northeastern Turkey. I'm really close to the Georgian border, like 20 kilometers away. So tomorrow it'll be a nice short hitch to Georgia. But yeah, I'm just in a random hotel in a random city for free. I didn't pay anything. Oh, wait. All the food I ate today was gifted by strangers. For breakfast, I had soup with those random construction guys. For lunch, I had with the truck driver, and for dinner with a random restaurant. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, today's been a good day. Back into hitchhiking. I haven't hitchhiked for a while. Kind of been volunteering and taking buses for like the last month and a half, which is pretty crazy. And tomorrow we can hitchhike to Georgia. Alright, we're packed up. I'm wearing my raincoat. It's raining outside. I'm gonna try and find some food somewhere. Maybe I can try and find a simit place so I can have my last simit in Turkey before I move on to Georgia. So I need to somehow get on this big road here. That's a confusing one to start hitchhiking from because it's a literal motorway. You know what, I'm happy that it isn't raining right now. All right, we're gonna now enter Georgia. Leaving Turkey. I just hitchhiked the bus, and I couldn't film because I was standing up in the bus and it was packed, and I was more focused on trying not to fall over. But we're here, the border. Let's leave Turkey and go to Georgia. 2.5 months in Turkey, done. Entering Georgia. I've got no plans for Georgia. I'll try and volunteer a bit. I don't know what I'll do. But now, let's get through this border control. There we go. Welcome to Georgia. The script is absolutely crazy. So we are officially in Georgia. Now I need to hitchhike from here out of the police checkpoint, not police, border checkpoint, to Batumi. which is the nearest city. So yes, I tried to hitchhike for about half an hour, and then a big bus just kind of came around and I got in it. And now I'm in Batumi. I didn't even end up paying for the bus, I just got on and got off. Like, there wasn't even an option to pay, I don't think. I never research a place, so I've just arrived to Batumi, and I was not expecting like massive skyscrapers, like loads of abandoned skyscrapers, and just what? I was thinking this was like a smaller, like a little town or something. But look at this, everywhere. It's crazy. Bro, look at this building. Are you joking? Like, what? That is one of the highest skyscrapers I've seen in a long time. I'm just surrounded by skyscrapers. That one looks crazy. What? What is this place? So now I've decided to walk to the Black Sea. See what the Georgian currency is saying. So in Turkey, £1 was about 50 lira. Maybe like 45 lira. And now £1 is 3.6 Georgian lari. Ooh, this building looks so run down. And then you've just got like a pond. Man, this is an odd place. The Black Sea.